So for that, first of all, you have to open your Snapchat, and now you have to scroll up like this, and you will have an interface like this. And if you want to share any photo from your My Eyes option, so first of all you have to click on My Eye option, and then you have to click on Setup, and now you have to add some password over here. And after that, if you want to add any camera roll video in your My Eyes only, so first of all you have to long press on that video, and after that you can able to share this photo into your My Eyes only folder. So that's how you can share this photo into your My Only folder. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.